started recording, right?
Oh.
Yes, yes.
So for this, if you have uh, the room, this is your room, right?
Yes, sir.
And activate the room. In this we have room tag placement also, right? Tag means the name is there. You,
Mention the name.
yes,
Mention the names.
automatically. So see, the closed area is automatically selected.
Okay.
So this is the room selection, right?
What about another toilet?
Everyone, everywhere you can select it like this, right? But here, this area is come into the one room. But you want to separate this area in the two portions. First one is your parking and second one is dining hall. Without placing a wall physically.
Okay.
So we have an option as room separator.
Room separator.
You can draw a line from here to here. So now this area is divided into two parts. First area this and second area this. Now again you can activate your room and see there is a two separate rooms here like this. Now ready?
Yes, sir.
So you know the use of room and the room separator?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now it's time to change the naming.
Yes.
Because all the room have the same name.
Same name.
So you just go to here and the cross lines is highlighted.
Click.
When your mouse roll over on the tag, the cross lines is highlighted. Yes?
Yes, sir.
When these lines are highlighted and you just click, you have to click when these cross lines is highlighted. Right?
I click the lines, only lines. This cross lines.
Yes, click on the cross lines. And you can change the name from here. This is the bedroom, like this. Bedroom 1 and click apply. 9 change.
Yes, sir.
If you want to show the numbers 1, 2, 3, this number in the block, you just click on room separation, click on the edit and uncheck your show room number and click on apply. See, the room number is disabled, hide. Or another method is to double click on the room and type.
Change the name.
Yes, change the name. Right? And this is your kitchen. This is your dining. And this is your toilet, right? And this is your parking. And this is your parking. Right?
Yes, sir.
By mistake, you deleted this tag. By mistake. There is a warning. The warning is A room tag was deleted, but the corresponding room still exists. You can place another tag for the room using the room tag tool. ठीक है? तो आपने सिर्फ यहाँ से टैग को डिलीट कर दिया है, लेकिन रूम की प्रॉपर्टीज अभी भी यहाँ पे है.
English, sir.
Sorry. So you have deleted the room tag here, but still
Okay.
room properties is there,
Oh, yes.
right?
Oh, wrong. Yes, the property is there.
How I
Yes.
can delete, sir?
You just select the tag and press delete.
How delete?
Yes. Okay, Hassan.
How can I delete, sir?
Sir, the correction is still there.
You just select the tag and press delete button.
Okay.
Now, if you want to place a tag again,
Hmm.
so we have the room tag option here. This room
Again.
tag option is only used for the room tag only, like this.
Hmm.
Or the name is automatically occur when you decide change it.
What about if I select the room only? All the villages will be tagged room. If I select the room
Which room?
room separator, if I select the room.
The when you in the starting you have placed a room. So all
Yeah.
the name
All
is
the rooms
yes.
selected room.
You just select it and change the name from here.
Yes.
Sir,
Identity data.
Yes, identity data.
sir, how to delete?
What?
If I want to delete the room name,
Room tag. You just select your room tag, right?
Delete.
okay,
And
Delete
press
button.
your delete button.
okay.
And the
Finish.
room tag is deleted.
So the cross section is still there.
Yes, because the room properties is still there.
Okay.
You only
So I
delete
can't,
your tag only.
oh, okay. I can't delete the cross section.
Yes, if you select these lines and again press delete, then your room tag room properties is deleted. There is no room
Okay.
properties here.
Oh,
So you can delete room properties and the room tag separately.
okay.
Now you have to assign your room like here, right?
Yes, sir.
And again you have to change the name.
I can change the name and also I can delete the name. I can
Yes.
delete.
Yes. Right? So this is your room tag area. The second one is how to show the enclosed area of a room, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and kitchen,
Okay.
right? Right here, how to show your
Dimensions.
area, not dimensions, area.
Oh, okay. Area.
So you have to choose your area here. First you go to here and click on the area and volume computation. Right here,
Yes, sir.
go to the here and click on the area and volume computation, and we have both area only or area and volume both.
Area and volume.
Areas only.
Okay, areas only.
If you want the area and volume both, you can choose this one.
Okay.
Okay, this is your room area computation, from where you want to find your area. At the wall finish or any at the wall center or at wall port layers or at wall port center. So you can choose the Add wall finish. Only the interior area or an enclosed area, right? Or please click on OK. Right, dear?
Yes. Absolutely.
Again, you have choose the area,
Area.
right? For your level 1, right? And click on OK. Okay. This is the automatically create a area boundary lines associated with the external walls. तो ये आपके ये it will show you total plot area.
Mm.
You
Yes.
just press yes. See, this is your total plot area highlighted with the blue lines.
Yes.
Again, you choose your area tag and place it here. So this is your area of your total plot, 1438.
Sir,
Yes.
please one time again.
Sorry.
Repeat one time, sir.
Okay. You just Control Z. Go to
Area.
the area
Okay.
and choose area plan.
Okay.
And here you choose which level you
Level.
want to for your area.
Two.
Level 1
Yes.
Yes.
and click on OK.
Step one. Oh, next.
Or just press yes. So our area enclosed area will highlight it with your blue lines
Automatically.
automatically.
Okay.
Now you want to show your area. You just took here as a area
Okay.
and place it here.
Okay.
So this is your total area of your plot.
Building. Okay.
If you want to show your area by room wise, right? You want to show area for this room, first for this room and this room, right? So
Yes.
we have to draw a area boundary.
Okay. Okay.
You just draw take a line and draw a area boundary like this, right?
Yes.
You can enclose all the walls like this, right? Right? And you will finish it and choose your area from here and place all the rooms. In the rooms, it automatically enclose the area like this, right? So by this property, you can show your area separately or on your room bounded area,
Total area.
right?
Yes.
Right, sir.
Similarly, if you able to delete this room area tag, right, and just select your room tag area and select here, like similar for room tag, right, dear?
Yes.
So you can easily understand these commands.
Room separate, room tag, and area. Yes.
Yes. So this is in your session 23. right?
Finish, huh? Yes.
First thing. Second thing is
The
the color schema.
color, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
color
sir.
setting. So you can just select your color schema, right? Choose schema 1 according to your, if you want to as rooms or as per your areas. So tell
Sir,
me,
one time again, sir.
this is a question. So schema is, we have two things, by area or by rooms. The color is you want by area or by room.
Area room.
Yes, you can choose a room.
Room.
So
Room,
we
room.
have bathroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, dining, kitchen, parking and toilet. Right? If you
Yes.
choose the room as an area like this, so this is your building area total.
If I choose,
So you can choose the rooms,
you
right?
can divide separate.
Yes. Or click on apply and OK. So this is not visible in your this, right? Because
Yes.
we have you just select here and we have to assign from here in the view command, and we have the color legend. No, this is not. We have the color legend from where in the annotation. Here, it will here in the color legend, right? You just select your color fill legend and apply here. So you can choose with the help of rooms, right? And the name and click on OK. See, the bathroom is for this color, right? Bedroom is for this color. This is your different colors, right?
Yes.
If you want to change the colors, yes,
Yes.
so you go to the color legend, right? And this is your colors and choose color. Which color you want to choose for your bathroom?
Green or something.
Select this green color and press OK and apply. See, the green color is here, right?
Sir.
So this is your color schemas.
Sir, you are using two procedures for color. One time you are using view, then color. Another procedure is using you are selecting from the rooms. What is the difference? Two methods are there.
No, no. There is a bulb. If you want to show here, so you
Oh,
have to choose in the annotation this
view,
color legend.
view.
No, no. In the annotation, color legend.
Annotation. Oh, annotation.
Right?
Color legend. Okay.
If you want to change your colors for this schema, so you go to the color legend, color schemas, and here you can change your colors for your legends.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Right, dear?
Yes, sir.
So this is your color schemas. For this, creating the rooms, room boundaries, room volume, right?
Yes.
Or computation, room tag, and area schemas, area types, area plans, area tag, area color scheme, and legends. So we will cover all the topics, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Can we move next, or tomorrow we will choose the next session?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow, sir. Today we will do the practice, hand practice, and